YouTube, what's going on? Got another video for y'all.
I can't do that, don't know where your list be. Don't throw at me, I'm throwing back, I'm sorta like a frisbee. Shit, I've been fresh my whole life, just like that nigga Chris. I'm crushing up the street up in the scat, I think it came for Christmas. You get it? Bro, that's the chicken spot. The red beam and hit his face, look like some chicken pot. He trying to buy a strike, but don't know him, so he can hit this spot. Cause we got a fleet up in the back, cause we just hit the lot. Huh, nigga, yeah, that's a big score. The Michael Drake gon' hit you in your shit.
Goddamn rain on and off, but you know how we say, the rain can't stop the heat.
Yes, sir.
Srt Breezy having a legal pit over here in Williamston. Goddamn, we about 30 minutes from the pit, had to make a little stop. Get all the bathroom breaks in, get the snacks in, you feel me? Boy, Vontae, YRN.
You already know, get with me, man.
You know what I'm saying?
To the pit,
yeah.
Shit,
Rain ain't gonna stop now, you feel me? We just got to the pit, this what the fuck going on right now. You know how you get that premium parking in this bitch. You know what I'm saying?
You know what the fuck going on in my AC?
Ski mask on, gang. You know what I look like, gang.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch to the end of the fucking video. My nigga Ray, my nigga
Yeah.
I know the fuck going on, man. B1 lifestyle outside, South Carolina. We outside.
Outside, I know you jumping in there all this face.
I'm not jumping in a fucking.
We got J. Car design this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We got celebrity in this bitch.
Man, we got the fucking drones out. Where the drone at?
It's in the car. I got to slide first down before that shit. This shit extra muddy out this bitch, man. Man, I got this motherfucker. You got the cat out here too?
Can I pull right here?
You got the cat out here too? Oh, damn.
I wish I
You want to try to get sturdy out this motherfucker?
I might pull the finish for it.
I ain't gonna lie, and it's slippery too, like, so low key, like, it's like, you really can get lit. Hey,
What's a ticket?
you heard that, right? She said she about to pop that fuel, we gotta hold her to it, man.
What is a ticket? Right. What's a ticket?
Fuck it. Fuck a transfer case. Real talk.
I need all y'all to know, I'm getting his back door.
Alright. You're right. Got the things out, man. Ain't about to fleet out this motherfucker, boy. You hear my boy? Got my boy jocking this bitch. You know what I'm saying? What's going on with it, man? What's up? We popping that shit today or what? What's up, man?
We live, man. Happy to see you, man. I heard you was coming. It was like game time.
I'm about to get back in the pit. I gotta get some tires on my shit.
Already?
Got a drone, man.
We about to go slide. Right now? My shit off.
Y'all ready?
Somebody down right, big hill.
You ready, Misa? Hold on.
right now. See, woman? We got the exclusive in this bitch, man. We about to get scatty with the fatty sliding in the bitch, getting that exclusive content. What's up? What you about to do something, man? What's up? About to tan it with something? Dolo? You know what I'm saying? What's up? That's what's up. Hey, leg out all the way.
Hear the key click on the cat, then you hear the wine. Ride different strike every day, but they always wide, bitch. That's when I like to slide. Take this bitch around, send the key, then I swallow pride. Might do a wholesale on strike and charge 95. Just to get it gone. Auto pro pad and a scat, I bet I'll turn it on. Take it to the city, since the V's not this bitch a clone. Not taking nobody on the drill, rather tab alone. Had a special rap on the scat, on the stash the chrome. 20 plus locs in the notes, it's a striker phone. Snatch the shit out the driveway, I'm finna end this long.
If this bitch don't start, we gon' push it off. You think we finna leave it, you a goofy, nigga, fuck you thought. I been striking broad day, mostly after dark, think we ain't got the love. We'll come and box you at that park. I used to ride, twist the keys, now it's push start. Downshifting in the Hellcat, make the engine fart. This bitch a cat, but a dog when I make it bark. This bitch a 23 and leave it unlocked when I go and park. He broke his hell, I get paid, we on two different roads. Tell bro to keep these bitches out, let's get some different hoes. Now we gotta go and switch whips. He tried to ditch, fucked around and got his bitch hit. He got a gun on the gram on some big shit. Won't even pop out the lid, nigga, he a big snake.
Talking cold and stuff, why like big bitch, fucked up, big balls, catch big fish. Man, you can ask my nigga Wick, I made a hit list. I send a paper, get you gone just with a quickness. Run into the paper, and I ain't really into fitness. Use a pole to reel them in and leave them stinking with the fishes. Man, I can talk some strike shit, or I can talk some hoes. The shit you try to talk to me, it better be some pros. Broke boy, but like the food, I keep a dinner roll. Ain't start the beef, but swear to God that I'ma finish though. Nigga, I ain't the type to sit and fuck around. Let's send a hit and get your head busted, shoot up out of town. Shit, he was trying to find his whip and check the lost and found. Was in the SRT, I caught my case, they sent my ass to mount.
And I'll be like, this is the same. There's different levels to this shit.
That's what you call good driving. That's real driving right there.
You feel me?
Now who the fuck? Right here, yeah. Shut the fit out though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Goddamn. Well y'all.
my first time being in the pit, you feel me? I think I got that shit up.
Strike a skate, get that bitch gone, don't hit my phone. I done broke the transfer, been a skate, I guess the motor strong. This a strike, see the lights, what the fuck I'm stopping for? I done made a dirty road. I can tell the nigga ain't got no money, he fuck a dirty hoe. 2 racks, minus 30 for the key, that's a striker pro. Turn the flash up on his 19X, I bet he strike a pose. Swap the Charlie for a charger, nigga, we finna school some hoes. Is it the strike, sweetest LOT, we finna hit the road. Commercial motor light, on the 7 swerving lanes up in the wide, that bitch was tight. Illegal with a strike, they couldn't catch it though. Shit, when they come to cats and sketch, like the pest control. We fucking D up, I think the owners need to re-up. Nigga, I'm finna creep up, hit the skating pack, fuck the police up. They tryna be us, but when we tap, we fuck the streets up. Don't try no goofy shit up at the hill, I got the heat tucked. Got multiple whips, we hit his block, he sends the fleet up, bitch. Should've had a kill switch attack, we finna get the tracker snatch. Nigga tried to run off with the strike, I'm finna fap the scat. He can have it now, says the Hellcat finna gym, we cat stabbing now. I think he got a bully on him, 22 riding in the strike, tryna bully on us. Put my foot into the pedal, cat fast about the black, but on red it's a different level. I'm a heads beast, so I like to rap about the strike. 55 for a wide sketch, you can pick the type. Extra 5 for the 6'2". Ride me for a strike, think not, get your shit blue. Sliding at the razor shit, this bitch is 2. Nigga claiming SB, who the fuck that nigga tryna fool? You can't even name the striker tool. Niggas that's a striker school. Auto pro and center points the main nigga hopping out, never sit in front. And we told him no some guns. Shit right now this a strike. Boys fit the lights, tap the gas, but you know we ain't stopping. Boys talking about a high ride. They flick the 3, we ain't stopping, nigga. This not the stock drive. Got a Hellcat engine, shit I used to strip.
That was your first time in the comedy? That's my first time. Damn, bro.
Yeah, you seen Yachty just crashed?
Yes. I
It wasn't even Yachty. Trey is driving. You ready to drive your car?
When the fuck did
Yo, even know what the rap about. I rap about the strikes, talk about the block, how we trap them out. Can hear the whip from up the street and tell you it's a scat sound. Moving so fast up on the block, gotta ask what's around. Shit, I scat wild till from 8 mile. Give a fuck who's ain't you in, nigga, leave shit be down. Matter of fact, let's go grab a rental, shit up out of time. Don't give a fuck about your state laws, we'll strike it down. Tab plugging in the OPD, that's a striker sound. But my favorite one when they keep clicking up on the V. Motor on her 5 from a nigga, I got the only key to it. Scat will start redo it, that mean unplug the tab. Might be the key, check up in the back, grab another one. Can't start the scat, leave this bitch and go tap another one. Hopped in the back seat, popped the trunk and found another gun. Boys with the lights, tap the gas, bitch, I'm on the run. MSP, we don't play with them. DPD, flicker lights, we might just slide up in the street with it. Take a strike and refit it. Hood can't tell the engine in it. Go and cut the tracks before I get to spinning it. Don't need a job, I take a cat, I can make 10 a minute. Took a wreck, shot the back of the end, the shit, let it fit and shit. What that mean, we finna keep bending in it. Quarter ceiling, tell them better come and count this bitch by 3. If not, it's a higher fee with it. Around 1500 time, this don't gotta click the key. Man, fuck, I forgot my ski. Put my hoodie up and grab the towers, tryna strike a black scat shit. Hit the plate, it's an 18. Pop the back window, dove in, and the bitch started barking loud. Give a fuck, still put a star down. Don't give a fuck if they're close to dead, expect this car out. Yo, don't even know what to rap about. I rap about the strikes, talk about the block, how we trap them out. Can hear the whip from up the street and tell you it's a scat sound. Moving so fast up on the block, gotta ask what's around. Shit, gotta hear tell if we find it quick. Can't find it, smack it in the ditch. Go grab another whip. 18 down, fucking use a key on some other shit. Bitch, I live a striker like shit, I'm really loving it.
Alright, y'all. They done shut the seat down, you feel me? I don't know where we going next. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, is there a waiver? They said, nah, you're good, just come on in.
I think niggas still here, so
we go to a gas station or something.
Nah, yeah, most definitely. Then figure it out from there. Huh? I might have to go back. I might have to go back to SC.
Same thing, bro.
I'm satisfied, bro.
I just want to go home and fucking shower and just lay in the bed, like. No.
Bro, you know it's not mandatory, bro. Summer ain't really even got started, bro. It's not even June yet, bro.
It's still early.
Thank you. Keep that in mind. We got plenty of time to do all that extra shit, bro. Well, Casey up in here getting right. Hey. Alright, that's a wrap for the video. Like, comment, subscribe. More content dropping, better content dropping. Gassing up real quick, getting some food and back to the house. I'm satisfied.
Let's go. MOPARS in action, little bitch, you know we slime for MIA. Riding around with fully gloss light on, who blocked this, that's the case. Tongue got pushed out on his chart, that bitch hit hard, take off his face. RPMs just skip the gear, it's hard to steer, he down today. MIA, we up in traffic, MIA, we up in action. Push the wood, we up in action. Batmobile, this bitch is dashing. They say this bitch shit, yeah, the flashy, yeah, the way I switch the trap. My niggas selling bows and pounds, yeah, my niggas get it packed. The way my niggas